Hi, welcome to my Excel Amazing Formula video number 4. In this video I show you how to sum file size in Microsoft Excel. Type any number, result automatically updated. Before get started, thanks to Dave Brams for motivation to make this formula. Okay, let's get started. Type equals, expand formula bar, left, select data, number of character is find, space, in text, close find bracket and -1, close left bracket, press F9, extract number from text. Value error is the several cell. Okay, to bypass, type if data different empty, comma, value is false, leave empty. Press F9, is good. Value error convert to logical false. Undo the dividing by. Before dividing, I find to Wikipedia file size units. Binary equals number of bytes. Jump to Excel. Dividing by 2 and press Shift plus 6 and type match, lookup value, copy here and paste. Left function replace with mid function, text, start number, find the -1 replace to +1, a number or character is 4, y is 4. Maximal number of character is byte, is 4, byte is 4 character. Okay, close middle bracket, value is false, close bracket, press F9, good. 2, comma, lookup array. Lookup array copy from here and paste. Match type, exact match, close match bracket and press F9 is NA error. To bypass NA error, value is false, type any value from this. Press F9 again. Okay, good. Path match function inside bracket, -10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 10, close bracket, and multiple 10. And path inside, press F9 is good. Type complete formula, path inside sum, is press F9, is very big number. dividing by copy entire formula and type a lookup function. Ctrl V, paste lookup value, a lookup vector is type open curly bracket and type 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Close curly bracket, close lookup bracket, and select lookup is big number dividing. Highlight all formula is very small. To rounding result into decimal, I use trunc function. Not round, not round up, not ceiling, trunc function only. Trunc in to decimal, close bracket, and type end function, space, and copy entire lookup formula, paste. Sorry, delete. Lookup, yeah, paste, and add vector result is reversing copy from here and reversed value. Byte is first, BB is last. How to type index and row number is open curly bracket is type 10, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, close curly bracket and close index bracket, press F9, return single value, not array. To force array result, I use an if-1 technique. For them, type if, open bracket, type 1, comma, close bracket from if, and type n, open bracket, and close n bracket. And evaluating again is boom, full array. Undo, lookup bracket, and press Ctrl Shift and Enter. Delete any cell. Result automatically updated. Second example is a split cell version. Copy from here and jump to split cell version. Ctrl V, press Ctrl Shift and Enter. Change to B, automatically updated. I use data validation feature, data validation list, and paste. Okay, and change any value, automatically updating result. What's happening if all cell is blank? Delete. Oh, if NA error. And what's happening is all value is 0. NA error. To fix is type if NA value is if NA, type empty, close bracket, delete, good. I fixed in this version if NA close bracket, and press Ctrl Shift and Enter. I demonstrate how to use this formula for another example. Network bandwidth monthly data report from this application, monthly report, copy formula, paste. Take a single mark and replace range in this formula. Data, type B3 to B60. Click replace, close, remove single mark, press enter. Ctrl Shift and enter. And expand to right and paste again to summing to value. Replace to B61 to C61. Replace and press Ctrl Shift and enter. Is 277. Is general is 227 terabyte. Okay, this application to rounding result. Example 3. I use from my Windows random folder Ubuntu server properties 274 gigabyte. Total, Control V, and replace data to B1 to B63. Replace, remove single mark, Ctrl Shift and enter, and 274 is 274. Cool. The formula automatically translate unit size. Type any very big number, type MB, automatically translate to correct unit size. Delete under value, GB, automatically translate to biggest value. Alright, I hope you like this video. I am PedjaNBGD and see you next episode. Bye.